So it has not felt like Christmassy at all in this house. I don't know why I can't feel like it's December, but it doesn't feel holiday-esque to me. I did a huge giveaway a week and a half ago. So because of that, I have like bins and bins of makeup that I'm either going to give away or have already sorted through to give away sitting in my living room. Also, I just haven't done anything to clean up. So we're gonna do the opposite of that today. I'm gonna be cleaning up my entire house so that I can get into the holiday spirit, which I have not been in. It feels to me like November 1st right now. It doesn't feel like December. Just there's something about it that it doesn't feel like it's that time of year. Maybe it's just the year went by too fast, I don't know. But I'm going to just go through, clean my house, and maybe you guys will enjoy to do it along with me. So let's go. 2 chairs. It was empty before this. So you guys know I speak so highly of this company, but I'm serious, it's like life-changing. I do not work for them, they are not sponsoring me. I bought this myself.
It didn't find her. Very well now.
So I was gonna decorate for Christmas today, but I think since it's not even Thanksgiving yet, by the time I'm doing this, I'm gonna let the house sit the way it is for a few days, let the pumpkins be what the pumpkins are for a few more days. I still have pumpkins all over my porch. Let it go through Thanksgiving, and as soon as Thanksgiving, my cat just fell off the chair. And as soon as Thanksgiving is over, then I will decorate for Christmas. I wanna let Thanksgiving have its time. But the house is now clean. Thank you guys for cleaning with me. I hope you guys like this video. I know it's different content. Love it. I love different content. I love seeing people's houses and how they clean. So stay tuned. I'll probably do a Christmas decorate with me soon. My archways, and I'm gonna do all that kind of stuff because I need to get in the Christmas spirit because I'm normally such a Christmas ass bitch. It doesn't feel like this time of year, but now that my house is clean and I've moved everything and I feel like it's a good time. We've got it clean and it'll be a perfect space to decorate for Christmas. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!